We're at Al Manglar, and I saw on the Don and Greg show that they had a big plate of nachos, and Charlie's been jonesing for nachos. So we came here, and the first thing we asked was, do you have any nachos? And they're like, no, we don't have any nachos. So I got some green juice.
And I get minty green juice.
Oh boy.
We're on
So we'll see how the rest of our meal goes, but it's gonna totally be exciting.
I'm smelling pancakes right now coming out.
Yeah, Charlie's having hot cake.
And Julia's having savory crepes.
Yeah.
What's in your crepes, Julia?
Spinach and stuff.
Savoy.
Sabayo.
Mushrooms, I think.
Saboyo.
Mushrooms look like champions in Mexico.
Cream cheese? No, I don't know. What are you doing?
Your tongue is. I'm gonna have to delete this video from my phone.
Oh. So me making a comment, like a fine comment, but then you making those sounds. Me making the comment is ruining the video, but you making a sound, it's just like, woo! That's a terrible sound. Stop.
Look at the pigeon patrol.
Oh, guys, it is cooling off. Hey, what's that store across the way? They might have some